Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's talk about providers in Terraform. In the last video I mentioned them briefly, but today we are going to talk about those in a more deep way. So I'm going to search for it, Terraform provider, and I'm going to scroll down to find registry. Here is an official website from HashiCorp where it lists all the providers that Terraform supports officially and those providers that are verified and also the ones that are supported by the community. A provider is a set of APIs which are collected in a module where when you type Terraform init in your command line and you have a configuration file from Terraform, it will download all the necessary modules to handle all the infrastructure in that provider. In this case, the most common providers that Terraform offers is AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Kubernetes, Alibaba Cloud, etc. So the way that you can use these providers, let me show you a sample here, is to specify this structure in a file called configuration file in Terraform. It can be main.tf, where you can specify this provider information. Here you can see the provider section for AWS. In this sample, they are specifying the region, but you can also specify another things like the access key, for instance, or the secret key. You can specify this here or in your credentials file or in environmental variable also. And let's see another example, but for Azure provider. In this case is listed here, Azure RM. Here you can specify more features for this provider. And a provider, as I mentioned, it provides a lot of APIs for you to interact with that cloud service so you can deploy your infrastructure objects in them. So it is very helpful and necessary when you are using Terraform. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.